while ago I started a project where I make a chessboard. This is the first one I made. What I like about these are the purple ones are pretty cute, especially the king and queen. So I'm showing you the process of me making a new chessboard, which I have up here. And I'm sure right now you're watching the part where I make the pawns. So yeah, the pawns are just little balls, which I think are nice and simple and fun. And then the king is a little 3-horned guy. And what I like about this one is that it's a lot simpler. And I think when I paint these, I'll add little eyes to them. So that'll be cool. Now you're watching me make the bishops, which are kind of similar to the queen. And then for the queen, I decided to go with kind of like an hourglass shape. The next thing that I'm doing here is painting on the whites of the eyes. And then off camera, I painted the black part of the eye, and then I dunked them in some resin. And eventually the resin dried and I am finished, and I got these cute chess pieces. At the bottom of them I super glued some fabric. On top of the chessboard, the wooden chessboard, I nailed a plate of plexiglass so that everything was shiny. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a really good time. Bye.